Hello guys, welcome to you on my YouTube channel Gotak Plus. I am Mr. Chitta and I am going to tell you about the kindness. As we know, the kindness can change the world. How it can change the world and what is the specific role of it? We know that the kindness which comes from our spirit, the pure soul, which something in our body which resists ourselves to do the bad work. When we become the selfish, from inside the sound comes that don't become the selfish. Help others, help the poor, help the man who doesn't have any resource, the peoples which are wandering here and there as the beggars. So God has made us a power. God has given us a power to us of changing anything. Kindness which can change. Try to believe it. In this manner, in the order to make the people more influence to attract about the kindness, we have to do the many shows, many ads, many advertisement we have to do. But there is only the one thing which can change the people, that is their spirit. When the people will be aware of their spirit, that the spirit which resists themselves to become the selfish, to become the bad work, the good deed which is done by us, it is also not done by us, that is done by our pure spirit, which emphasize, which force us to do the work. Kindness is the weapon. If we will suit it to anyone, so he will also make feel good. People can forget what did happen that day. People also can forget how it was happened. But people cannot forget that what it made them feel. Was it make them happy? Or was it the sad for him? Hopefully, cheerfully. So the kindness is the thing which goes hand to hand from the childhood, from the contagious, when the child take birth, he always come with a kindness. As you also know, the child with a pure spirit come out, and whatever you ask to him, he always do the good deeds. He never tell a lie, neither he become the dishonest, neither he becomes a selfish man, egoist. He always try to be as a special. Kindness is a special thing for the peoples which want to do something new. As in this whole world, many peoples are going, many peoples are coming. So what is it? They are just doing as a routine. But some people were also there who were helping to the beggars, to the poor. Some were also doing something special to the poor. Some will be opening any industry, any factory in which the workers will be doing the work. So these all things work on the kindness. If you have the kindness, that the labor which you have choose, it will do more work, more hard work in your factory. So what will you do? You will choose him, and after choosing him, then you will also get the reward. But the kindness is not that thing. Kindness is the unexpected thing. You doesn't expect anything from front one, that you want anything in return from him. Whatever he want to do, whatever he want to give you, he can give. On only just you can take it or accept it. But if he if you are accepting anything in return of the work, then it's not the kindness, neither it is the help. Help is generated by the kindness. If you have the kindness in your mind, in your spirit, if your spirit is pure, in your spirit the kindness is filled with it, so it will generate you to help others. Why the some people resist themselves to helping others? As the beggar is wandering here and there and he is begging something from you, as even if you have any 10 rupees, so you also can give him, but you couldn't give. Why? Because somewhere else you are resisting yourself. Something is in your mind, something is in your body or pure or soul, which stopping you. And one thing is also there, that something is emphasizing you to give, but in the fear of the others, in the fear of the elders, you could not give. So what it was, you had the kindness, and after, in order to having the kindness, it generated the help, that you could help the poor or you couldn't. So help is generated by the kindness. And where the kindness is generated, kindness generated from another way, no anywhere. It is the contagious, it come from a birth. As we take the birth, it come in our body, in our mind. Those peoples which keep the kindness in their mind, not in their heart, not in their soul, not in their spirit, what do? They just do the work with their mind by taking the action, as will they get any benefit in it or not. As the businessman and the social society, or the social man, what he will do, he will make the kindness as his passion or his profession. He will start helping the poor. How can he help? He can help by opening the any industry, any factory, or any kind of work he can do. But kindness, where it will go? As we earn the kindness, we can earn the money, we can earn anything, we can buy the things, we can buy the box, we can buy the chair, cooler, fan, home, Raj Mahal, anything we can buy. But we cannot buy the kindness of other. Can we buy that? I want your kindness, please give me. No, he will not give. So kindness is the thing which generated in you, and you should also generate. Think about it. Thank you. Subscribe my channel and like this video.